Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to label our paper so that we know what we're doing. So near the top of your paper, don't write too big. We're going to write blind, blind, contour, C-O-N-T-O-U-R. I'll give you a second to write that. And then underneath here, I'm going to put a 1 because this is going to be the side for my first drawing, and I'm going to put a 2 because this is going to be the side for my second drawing. Remember, this is just our practice sketch. We're just getting familiar with the exercise or style of blind contour. When you're done writing, just go ahead and snap the cap on your marker. Show me that you're ready to move on. About 10 more seconds. Okay, so I've got my self-portrait mirror right over here. And we're going to do 2 rounds, and we're going to be looking at ourselves both rounds. We're just going to be practicing a little bit more. So the most important thing about a contour is that, number 1, once our pencil goes down, it stays down. If you need to pause for a minute to think about what to do next, that's okay, but just sort of rest your brush there. Do not pick it up and move it somewhere else. You're connecting everything with one continuous line. And then the second, that's contour. The second tricky part is that it's blind, meaning that instead of looking at our paper like we would normally do, we are looking in the mirror. So my eyes will stay fixed on the mirror. I might end up drawing an eyeball that's outside of my head, but that is okay. We are practicing, we are learning, and we are growing like an artist. So here we go. I'm going to start with the outside of my head, and here I go. My marker is going down. There's my chin. I'm going to come up here. Now I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to do my mouth. And I'm going to head up to my nose. I'm going to add myself in an eye. Now I need to go to the other eye, so I just have to go in a straight line on over. There's my eyebrow. So now I'm going to head up to my hair, and my hair sort of comes over this way and back up. Back down over here. I can't see my ears because my hair is covering them, but if your ears are out, see right now I'm thinking, so I'm pausing. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add in my neck. And there I go. So does that look like me? No, but it's a practice. All right. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm just going to hope that it gets a little bit better. After you finish with the first one, what I'd like for you to do is color in some spaces like she did. And again, we're not making this look realistic. We are just adding some pops of color so that it looks nice and abstract. I don't have to fill in the whole thing, but you are more than welcome to if you want. I think that's about enough for this one. Now, on the second one, what I want you to do is draw it out. Here I go again. I'm going to go really fast this time, so don't laugh. You can take your time a little bit more than me. All right, now on my second one, what I'm going to do is I am going to go back to the supply paint area, and I'm going to pick up one of these kinds of cups and one of these kinds of brushes, which will be setting out. I'm going to dip in just a teensy bit of water, so swipe the tip, and I'm going to try and do what she did. I'm going to rub over the marker and see if I can get the red to start to move. Do you see it sort of turn into paint just a little bit there? I don't want to do it all over the whole thing, but I'm going to find just a few spaces to blend it like she did. Just so we're trying out a couple different techniques like she did. Okay.